In today's episode of Cummings Gun Works, an unboxing video. So, if you haven't seen the other video yet regarding the muzzle brake on my precision rifle, I'll put a link to it somewhere around here or there or about. It will exist. But previously on my Bergara B14 HMR, I had this, the JP Enterprises Recoil Eliminator. Is that in focus? Yes. The recoil eliminator, and I had some issues with fouling on my crown with this muzzle brake, so I yanked it off, and I was trying to figure out what brake I wanted to use instead, and came up with the Area 419 Hellfire. It's a really cool design. It's a quick detach system, so you have a threaded adapter that goes on to the end of your muzzle, and then the brake itself is toolless, on and off, like quick change. Should be really cool. So I just got it in today, and we're going to open it up together. Here we have a box. Here we have a box cutter. 419. Very good. Precision comes standard. I certainly hope so. Where's the top? What's the top? Is this the top? I'm going to fail at opening a box on camera because, aha, that's what I do. Wow, that's a big flap. Okay, we have some lovely packing paper. We've got a packing slip. Here we have the Hellfire. Alright, let's get in here and see what this looks like. Okay. The Area 419. Hellfire Self-Timing Muzzle System Installation Guide. Very good. Ah, yes. Got another nice sticker for my gun case. Very good. There we have it. So we've got foam insert, and inside the box we've got the brake and the adapter. Nice. You can tell right away just by holding it that it's really high quality. $6.5. She's pretty. Okay. Cool. Alright, well, let's get the gun out and get this puppy installed. Alright, let's read the installation instructions. Point rifle in select direction, ensure it's unloaded. Done. Remove any existing muzzle device, ensure the threads are clean. Yes. That we'll be using acetone. Acetone on the rag. I'm going to degrease the threads. And then I'm going to put some thread locker on the adapter. Make sure it doesn't walk out. Here too, inside the adapter. Put that away. Okay, where did I put my box? This is the box. Yes. Loctite blue. Okay, good. Now, thread the adapter onto your muzzle and tighten with a 5/8 inch wrench. Alright, so both my car and my motorcycle are Japanese, and all of my tools are in metric, so adjustable wrench. Simply holding the barrel should allow you to achieve the suggested 25 foot-pounds of torque. Apply 1 drop thread locking compound on the muzzle threads. Right. Okay, very good. It says 1 drop. I'll use 2 because I want to. There we go, 2 whole drops. Out of here. Okay. Very good. When the rifle flies off the table, that's when you know it's good. Alright. Step 3, the exciting bit. Let's see. Start the break into the adapter, slide it in, thread the collar. This is a left-hand thread, very important. Obviously you don't want the thread for the adapter and the brake itself to turn the same direction, because then you're going to have some issues when you go to remove this. Tighten the collar to the point where there is some amount of tension, but the brake can be rotated with a small amount of resistance. Okay. Just like that. Very good. Turn until the dot on the front of the brake is at the 12 o'clock position. And the dashes are at the 3 and 9. I don't have a dot on this one, but there is a 6.5 Creedmoor, or 6.5 stamp and dashes. Very good. Can y'all see that? Probably not. Let me see if I can bring that into focus. Tell you what, I will make sure y'all get a good view of the end of it when I go to remove it again. Make sure it's all lined up. Yeah, that looks good. Good enough for now. For this, push firmly into the end of the brake, forcing it into the adapter. This time, firmly hand tighten the collar. The brake will not rotate. After your first 5 to 10 shots, you may wish to check the tightness of the collar. This should not have to be done more than once. Okay, push it in. And tighten it down. I'm just going to finger tighten that. Very good. Okay. Oh, I felt that. So the issue I was having before, if you know from the other, or as I mentioned before, and as I brought up in the other video, was that I was having some trouble with the crown fouling out, and one of the big reasons I went with the Area 419 brake is because of the quick detach feature, which, as you can see, opens this area up so I can get in there and clean the crown off very easily between range sessions, and that will hopefully alleviate that problem. So just want to share that with you. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please go ahead and hit like. Consider subscribing. Check out the website. I'll leave a link in the description. I keep a blog over there with a lot of really cool information. I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Remember, not only your target, but what's beyond it. Thanks, y'all.